Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a new ad account in Facebook Business Manager. Before we begin, make sure you are logged into the correct Facebook profile that has admin access to the business you want to manage, and that your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. Start by opening the Facebook app on your mobile device. From the main screen, look for the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines at the top left of the screen and tap it. This opens your primary navigation, where you can switch between your personal profile and any pages you manage. At the top of this menu, tap the page name to switch to the business page you want to use for ads. Choosing the correct page now helps ensure you land in the right business workspace later. If the menu closes after switching, simply open it again using the same 3-line icon at the top left. Now scroll down in the menu and tap Meta Suite. This takes you into Meta Business Suite, which is the centralized hub for managing your page, messages, insights, and advertising tools in one place. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, tap the 3 lines at the bottom right of the screen to open the suite's main menu and reveal more options. Next, tap Settings. Give it a moment to load. This area houses your business level settings and permissions. Inside Settings, select People. This section is where you control who has access to your business assets, including pages, catalogs, and ad accounts. It's helpful to be here because creating or adding an ad account often includes assigning the right people and permissions right away. In the People section, look for the plus icon at the top right of the screen and tap it. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to create a new ad account or add an existing one to your business. If you're creating a new ad account, you'll typically be asked to provide an account name, select the correct time zone and currency, and choose a payment method. Take a moment to double-check time zone and currency. They're difficult to change later and can affect billing and reporting. If you're adding an existing ad account, you may need its ID and the appropriate permissions. As you proceed, assign access to yourself and any teammates who will manage campaigns, ensuring they have the right level of control, such as admin or advertiser. Once you finish the prompts, you'll see confirmation that the ad account has been created or added. You can now use it within your business tools to set up campaigns, manage billing, and assign roles as needed. That's it. Your new ad account is ready to go.